Good morning, Ms. Ford.
Morning.
Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
I apologize. What's the last name, Your Honor?
P-O-U-R.
Okay. On March 2nd, 2025, the officer was dispatched to an accident on the 4500 block of Southwest Freeway, and the defendant was passed out in the passenger seat of a tow truck. The officer noticed that her eyes were low, her speech was slurred, and her breath smelled like alcohol. She had also urinated on herself. The defendant stated she had one drink and was coming from a club, and the defendant showed lethargic behavior, and the defendant confirmed that she was the driver and that no one was with her. Standard field sobriety tests were administered, HGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 6 out of 8, one leg stand 3 out of 4. The defendant consented to breath, and the results were 0.128 and 0.118.
Where was she driving? What was she doing? All I know is that she's sitting in a passenger seat of a tow truck. How did she get there? What happened? Was there an accident? Who is writing these reports nowadays? I mean,
Yes, Judge. And the statement made statement stating that she confirmed that this was her vehicle and she drove it to the crime scene. The defendant confirmed that she was with only her and no one else was with her. The defendant confirmed that she was on her way home from a club where she consumed alcohol. And the defendant's vehicle was found stalled on the shoulder of a busy freeway. And the officer wrote that led the affiant to believe that that there was no one else that fled from the scene. And the officer wrote from the affiant's training experience that he believed that the defendant was the driver of the vehicle based on the statements made to him and finding the vehicle.
did anyone see her drive? Did the tow truck driver see her drive? How long did she drive? When did she drive?
We don't have that information.
So it says that there was, Deputy DuPont was dispatched to a one-car minor accident and the vehicle was leaning on its side and stuck in a muddy ditch. The defendant was passed out in the driver's seat with a key inside the